Welcome to our course on the Timely Stock app. Today we're going to teach you how to use the Stock app on your iPhone and iPad to manage your professional and retail stock like a pro. We'll go over how to easily look up stock info and make quick on-the-go adjustments to your stock levels. We'll also cover how to search by name and to use your phone's camera to scan the barcode for instant product info. Kiss the empties bin and tedious stock management goodbye and say hello to organized, easy stock management. Let me show you how. To start off, the first thing you need to do is download the Stock app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad by searching for Timely Stock and tapping on Get. After it's installed, just simply use your Timely login details to sign in. Once you log into the app, you'll see 3 tabs at the bottom of the screen: Scanner, Products, and Settings. Before you dive into anything, make sure that you're in the right location if your business has multiple locations in Timely. It's super easy to do. Just head over to the Settings tab and select your location. While you're there, feel free to choose your preferred app theme, light or dark mode, enable or disable vibrations, and access helpful resources if needed. Timely Stock automatically turns your device into a barcode scanner. Just select Scanner from the bottom of the screen and your camera will automatically turn on. You can then scan any barcode using your camera. You may need to grant Timely Stock permission to use your camera the first time you do this. If the product barcode you're scanning is already saved in Timely, the scan will load the product's details. You can view a quick snapshot of the stock levels of that product in all your business locations and also update the stock levels for your current location. Select Details at the top of the screen to view other product details such as retail price, cost price, alert levels, and tax. You can edit any details by tapping the Edit button on the top right corner. If the product barcode you are scanning is not saved in Timely, you will be given the option to create a product or link the barcode to an existing product. If you click Create Product, a form will open for you to enter all of the product's information. The barcode field will be pre-populated for you. If the scanned product already exists in Timely, but it doesn't have a barcode added, you can select Link Barcode. This will open a search bar where you can look for the product by typing the name. When you select the product, the barcode number will be added to its record in your main Timely app for you to scan and find the product next time. To create a product record for a product that doesn't have a barcode, just click the plus symbol at the top right of the scanner and add its details in there. Right next to the plus sign is one of my favorite parts of Timely Stock: Bulk Adjust. This handy feature lets you quickly add or remove a number of products at once, perfect for signing in a box of new stock or writing off empties. First, click on the +/- icon on the top right corner of your screen. Select the bulk adjustment setup by selecting whether the update is to retail or professional products, and then select either increase or decrease stock levels. You can select the reason for the adjustment from the list provided. Scan each product to add a single unit to the list. If the same product is scanned again, the count will increase by 1 unit. If the product doesn't have a barcode, you can search the product by its name. When your list is complete, click Done. Your update will sync to Timely and your stock levels will be updated. Easy. Now, the final tab we're going to talk about today is Products. The Products tab shows your whole inventory as a list including current stock levels. You can use the search bar at the top to find a particular product or click on any product to view and update its information. You can use the filters in the top right corner to filter products by retail, professional, low and out of stock statuses, or sort products by its current stock level. Timely Stock is available in the iOS App Store for iPad and iPhone, but it really works best on your phone. It's free for anyone to use, but if you are on the Timely Elevate or Innovate plan, it will sync with your account, so any updates you make in the app will be reflected across Timely for your whole team. If you're on our build plan, now could be a great time to upgrade and enjoy the extensive benefits of Elevate or Innovate. Things like syncing the stock app with your Timely account. Just email us on help@gettimely.com and we'll get that sorted out for you. Only team members you give access to can access and make changes on the Timely Stock app. So remember, update your permissions if you need to. And that's it. It's that easy. Download the free stock app today and you'll see how much time it can save you in inventory admin. Good luck. See you next time.